Hello guys, myself Manoj Sharma. Welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video, let's talk about the pie charts in Excel. So pie charts basically displays only one data series and each piece of a pie is a percentage of a whole number or a whole circle. So let's consider the whole circle is of 100%. A pie will be the percentage of that whole circle. It could be 14%, 50% depending upon what value that pie is containing. So what value that pie is with respect to the whole of the circle. So pie charts can present the relationship of different classes of data in a visually simple way. So let's see with the simple example, we have the sales data table where we have the monthly data collection for two cities, that is California and Florida. And let's create the pie chart out of it. I'll select the entire table and we'll go to the insert tab, and under insert tab, I will see an option for pie. So I'll select the 2D pie, the first chart, that is the pie 1, and you can see the pie chart is created. I will make it a bit small and will drag it next to my data table. So on the screen you can see a pie chart, and as I have already discussed that pie chart displays only one data series. So currently we have selected California and Florida, but it is showing just the data for California. So it will just display one data series at a time, and each pie will be a percentage of the whole. So considering the entire circle 100%, so each pie will be some percentage of that complete 100%. So you can see that the blue color is for the January month, which is 14% of the entire circle. The gray is for the March month value, which is 57% in this entire circle. So the share for the March, or rather we can say that the area or the percentage for this pie for March is 57% of the entire value. Now on the screen, if you hover over to each of the pie, you will see the values, but you can set the values into each pie. How? Just select the chart. Under the chart design tab, you will see an option to add chart element. We will add the chart element as chart label and just select inside end. If you select inside end, so the value for each pie will be displayed on the top of the pie. So you can edit it to put the chart values outside end or to put the chart values best fit. So in this way we can add the data labels to our pie chart. So this was the value element for the California for each of the pie. If you want to put any other value, just double click onto this value and a format data label will be opened up, and on the data label option you will see different fields. So by default the value section is selected. Just select the percentage and remove this value section, and you can see that 14%, 29%, 57%. Data label now is in terms of percentage and not in terms of values. You can even put the category name. So you can see that since the data is for the January, February and March month, now the category name is also being represented or being printed on top of your chart. So this was the 2D representation. We can also create a 3D representation. So just select the already created pie chart, and under the chart design you will see an option to change the chart type. Go to the pie section and under that select the 3D pie. So you can now see that this chart is now the 3D chart. If you double click the chart, just come on to the effects section under the format data series. There you can change the transparency, size, label, blur. In this way you can change the effects for your 3D chart. If you want your customer to focus on a particular pie, you can explode that particular pie from your entire section. How? Just click your mouse and drag it out from your entire circle, and you can see that this particular pie for January month is now exploded out from this entire circle. So in this way it is clearly visible and customer will focus it more clearly. So you can rotate your chart to give a better perspective of your chart viewing. Just double click onto your chart and under the data format data points, just set the angle for your first slice, and in this way you can rotate your chart and can give a better perspective of chart viewing. So this was all about pie chart. I hope you understood the concept of pie chart. If you have any questions or concern, please do let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much for watching.